Hello guys. My name is Đặng Minh Tâm, and today our group will do the assessment for. So our group have four people. The first one is Đồng Đức Bình, and he will do the first floor is sales department in it. And my name is Đặng Minh Tâm. I will do the floor two with the design department. Ông Tuấn Huy will do the floor three with uh, human resource department and also accounting department. And the last one is Hoàng Ngọc Mai Linh. She will do the floor for with technical support and also the software developments. So this is our table of contents. We're first going to the introductions first. So the first one is introduction. So we will our jobs is to do the design a secure and scalable network for 4-floor buildings. So we need to do the physical and logical network designs, the VLAN, the IP address, and also how to communicate between those floors, and also the IoT integrations. And our main tool is Cisco Packet Tracer. Also, with that we have to research it from internet, from YouTube, and also from the Canvas and some on lectures. So the next one is building and network overviews. So our building layouts is the first floor will be the sales department like I mentioned previously, and the second floor I will doing it is design department. The third floor will be the HR and accounting department. And the last one is the fourth floor will software development and technical support. So we decided to put the MTF at the first floor because it is the main. So if you put it at the first floor, it will easily to connect to other floors to make the network stability and more constant. And the IDF will put on the second, third floor, and the fourth floor. So next one we'll go into the test time.
Now let's get started with the physical and logical network design for floor 1, which includes the sales department. This design was crafted with careful consideration of the company's operational needs and future scalability. Floor 1 hosts the sales department, the manager's office, administration offices, the reception area, and the presentation room. The main distribution facility, the MDF, is centrally located to minimize cable lengths and optimize network performance. Acting as the hub for wired and wireless connections, the MDF ensures efficient communication across all devices throughout the floor. The infrastructure includes two 2960 switches located in the MDF and two home routers, strategically placed to provide wireless connectivity in the presentation and conference rooms. Wired connections extend from the switches to wall-mounted Ethernet outlets throughout the floor, ensuring a clean, secure, and easy-to-maintain setup. Built-in wireless access points in the home routers connect laptops and smart devices seamlessly. The logical topology mirrors the physical one, emphasizing VLAN segmentation. VLAN 20 isolates the sales department traffic, ensuring security while enabling inter-VLAN communication with the accounting department. The IP addressing scheme uses the 150.128.0.0/23 subnet, organizing devices efficiently and leaving room for future growth. Password configurations and encryption enhance security, with a welcome message reflecting subnet information. This design achieves performance, scalability, and security for the sales department.
Guys, my name is Đặng Minh Tâm, and I'm very sorry because I can share the screen right now because of some technical properties. I'm really sorry about that. I'm gonna talk about my floor. So the first one is I got the design department here. So you can see there's 30 computers. So because there's a lot of PCs, so I share it to switch here, and then connect it to the IDF. I mean the multiple switch here. And the next one is the admin room. Two admin room and manager room will share one switch, and each room will have one IP phone, one PC, and one printers here. Also have an access point here for the wireless of three of this one, three of these rooms. Yeah. The next one is two training rooms. So we have 18 each, and I will connect it to two switch here, and connect it to one switch, so it will be more efficient. And also I will connect it to the IDF rooms. The last one is the conference room. We will have a laptop, a TV, and also access point. Because of the TV cannot connect directly to the switch, so I have to connect it through cloud so it can work well. And so there you can see this is my IDF rooms. So we will have let's just ignore the PC70. We will have a multi-player switch, a router, and a server. So you can see the router is to communicate between the rooms, between the floors. I mean the floors, and the server will do the HTML and also some kind of other stuff. Yeah. So everything I have included in my report, so you can read it. Because of the time limitations, I will go to the IoT. So the first one is my fire alert. So here I have a heatsink. I have included some code here into the head, so it can work well also with the MCU too. I have included in my report, so when you commit clear here, it will open the door and the butter will open. It will works. Yeah. And of two of this energy conservation, I use two kind of power. First one is the wind power, and the next one is the solar power. Because this one I didn't turn it on yet, so it's just 0 watt. But the wind I have already turned it, so you can see that it comes so you can see two of this battery is full. Yeah. And the next one is the temperature motion. I do it at the smart homes, so you can go to the tablet and then you can modify it in the yeah, you can turn on it, and then the power will the temperature will go down like this one. Yeah, it works. And the last one is the motion. It has some kind of problem, but it works well when I test it. So when you preheat it, it will turn on like this one. But I have also included into my report, so you can see it easily. And also it can be controlled by IoT monitor too. Yes, you can see in this one. It just be the same like that. Also it will come with some conditions, like also with the other ones too, I think, like here have conditions, so it can realize the movement clearly. Yeah, that's all of my floor, and thank you for your listening.
Welcome. This is my third floor about the accounting department and HR human resource department. This is my logical layout and this is my physical layout. As you can see in the human resource department, I have the IP address for PC. One is 150.128.31.2. I will ping to the accounting department. The IP address is 150.128.32.2. Wait for a few minutes. Here, as you can see, this successful ping from the human resource to the accounting department. And There are some IoT that I have created. This is energy saving, and this fire alert. When I put the fire near the fire monitor, is the fire sprinkler will spit out the water here. Okay, next is the smart air conditioner system. As you can see, the temperature is about 20 Celsius degree, and in the tablet I have add some condition for these devices, like when the temperature monitor is bigger than 28, the air conditioner will turn on. And however, when the temperature is lower than 18, the furnace will turn on. And this intruder detection, it can it will alert when the stranger move near the door. And this is all for my presentation part. Thanks for listening.
For it's about the I will provide an overview of the network design of the software development and technical support departments. The goal is to explain how the network is structured, the share resources, security measure, as well as identify challenge and solution. So let's start with the structure. Here is the structure that me and my group have designed, and this is my design on Cisco Packet Tracer. So the software development department use a VLAN to isolate its network for security and efficiency. It supports a high density of devices like PC printers and IoT-enabled fire monitor and sprinklers, or connected through centralized switches, wireless access point, provide mobile connectivity, ensuring flexibility for developers. And this setup enables secure collaboration and high computational power for development tasks. Move to the technical support department. Also use a VLAN to separate its network. It includes PC, printer, and IoT devices connected through core switches for reliable data transfer. This department is designed to maintain infrastructure integrity and deliver technical support efficiently. Centralized server play a key role in ensuring smooth operation. About the share resources connectivity, both departments share critical network components such as a centralized router that connect VLANs, a file server for data storage, and peer-to-peer connections for direct communication. Security is enhanced through firewalls, intrusion detection system, and physical monitoring using motion detectors and CCTV. These measures ensure that data protection and efficient inter-department communication. And move to the security and sustainability of priorities in this network design. Physical security is strengthened with sirens, webcam, and motion detectors, while VLANs enforce logical segmentation. Energy conservation measures include solar panel and IoT-enabled fire monitor and sprinklers, reducing energy consumption and enhancing sustainability. Comparison of these departments. Both departments rely on VLAN's centralized architecture and IoT device development. Department emphasize collaboration and computational power, while technical support prioritize resource optimization and infrastructure maintenance. So these differences reflect the unique needs of each department. Now I will show you my design in packet tracer. So this is my design in packet Cisco tracer, Cisco packet tracer. So my design is in flow 4, and I have the software development, which include 25 people in there, and technical support department is 15 people in there. Next to the software development department is the software development admin rooms and the software development manager room. Also similar to that is the technical support department, and also have technical support manager and technical support admin rooms. Also I create the ensure the IoT to helping the security guards in this company to capture the stranger or some intruders. If we if someone try to move near the motion detector, the CCTV and the siren will activate at the same time. Similar to that is also about the IoT is the fire alarm, which if the fire monitor detects any fire, it will enable the fire sprinkler. Also the siren and the window will.
So next I will do about our result. You can see our results there, and about benefit we have to almost all the goal that the assessment need. Also, we can know more about how to use Cisco packet tracer, know how to implement this network and company, and we have also had to calculate and scalable design for our current future growth. And that's what we're learning. But beside that, we have a lot of drawbacks. So in summary, I really want the network design to meet the current needs and support the future growth, and also VLAN enhance security and communications, and IoT application improve building safety and energy management. So about our future considerations, because this time we don't have a lot of times, we didn't have much time to do it because of our group fault. So the communication between the floor is not very good, and also there are some harsh in using multi-user, and also on the HTML we didn't do it very good. So we hope can know and have some more we will know more and to learn more about it in the future. So yeah, that's the end of our presentation, and thank you for your listening.